We have got something very interesting here. As we know that once book block comes in and the cover is joining, in many cases our book block sizes are bigger than that of the cover. So there is always the chance of some adhesive squeeze out coming onto the metal which is kept here, which is called as a pre-paster. There is a mechanism which comes up and then presses the cover against the book block, and there is a squeeze out likely to happen, and whatever adhesive is squeezed out will come on the next cover which is coming in. And generally the machine is stopped. We use a solvent to clean this adhesive because it's not easy to remove the adhesive from that. Now look at it, this solvent which is used for removing this adhesive is also going to attack the adhesive which has gone into your book block. So this is a recipe for disaster. So we have created something called as a squeeze out wiper, which is nothing but a silicone spray which is sprayed onto this metallic part as and when it's needed on a regular interval, and that will ensure that there is no adhesive sticking to that.